We're gonna make a ridiculous lamp that goes floor to ceiling, 96 inches. Let's go. Leroy, we'll never find you. You're just gonna look like two separate organisms with that green on. Where's your belly? It's camouflaged.
I'm on the back. Where are you going? No, I can't.
Hey, wrong way, fella. Yeah! Want to see ice?
See.
There's the three amigos. Little creek porn. Oh, ain't she something? Gonna be a water wheel in there, maybe with a lathe. I've tried to tighten the screws. I think I've dropped this camera one too many times. So focused, you know, doesn't work. There she is. I think this drive sprocket behind the clutch here is just stripped. It's given up on turning this chain. Rather than dogging the motor, it's slipping here. I didn't look at it. If anybody's watching who works for like a safety mask company, I'd be happy to test out your stuff. Working on a budget here. Borrowed saw. Gotta spend money to make money, right? But thank you, money lending system I may have complained about before. Timber. Ooh. What a beauty. I didn't do any wedge because I wanted to utilize and get as much wood as I could to use. Because I'll end up cutting that and have a nice camp that can, if you will. Here she is in daylight. What a beauty. Okay. Plan B, good. We got more room. Right? Floor to ceiling?
See?
Oh, not so much left. Well, that's cool. Camera is speeding.
Sir.
Yeah, you got it. There you go. Etsy gem. This thing is super punky. We're gonna try and take it all out with a hatchet and see what we're left with.
Whoa.
Hit it, baby. Love me a strong woman.
Good.
Okay, this is like a log POV shot. Don't blow the illusion by showing your feet. Struggle. Oh, that's heavy. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
I hope this doesn't make me sick. Probably better than a flu shot. Don't worry, buddy, you're gonna love it. Yeah. I know, I gotta get on this side. Over here. Are you okay with the haul, or are we gonna have to wait for another tree to fall down?
No, I'm totally okay with it. And it looks like a heart.
That's cool. Ooh, it's like trash picking. Hook it. Hold the rest of the tree. I'm going to set her up on the porch, and then she can bug out there, dry out.